In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your phone settings. Now from here you want to go to your app settings and search for Messenger. So what we want to do here is to simply clear the cache of Messenger to avoid getting that signature URL expired error in Messenger. So let's go to storage, and from here just simply tap on clear cache. Now go back. Now force stop the app to make sure that your Messenger app is not running in the background. So let's close it. And the next thing we want to do is go to our Google Play Store and search for Messenger. Now we want to make sure that our Messenger is updated to the latest version. So as you can see right here, mine has the update button. It means that I'm not updated to the latest version. So what you want to do is simply tap on update and you're all set. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.